Okay, here's a genset over in Nigeria. These are 27-liter engines, and these things gobble up a ton of fuel. And again, I just want to explain to you that we do put DFMs on these engines to measure the flow accurate to 1 to 3%. You can see there where it says fuel mass flow rate is 64. This thing's usually upwards of like 80 to 90. But I mean, that's a lot of fuel per hour. But the main state of this video is I want to just show the data here. As you can see, we have Central Valley amps 1 and 2. There's two systems on this. So the cool thing is we're able to monitor these systems. But, you know, you can go into total detail. And the cool thing is you can see the graph here. We just hover over one of these. You can just really zoom in and get it down to the minute here. But, you know, the cool thing is you can shut off unit 1 and you can see the color change. Turn it back on, of course, do unit 2, whatever. And again, same with the fuel. See, we're going to go into the actual fuel. This is, you know, every minute it's you know, sending data over showing us the fuel, you know, measuring the fuel accurate. This is why we have such great results, and we know that our units work really well. And, you know, over in Nigeria, they live off the grid. You know, they have generators for power. So we are saving them enormous amounts of fuel. And again, there isn't anybody else doing this kind of monitoring. I mean, I have years worth of data on these gensets. And see, it gives us the consumptions, you know, average consumptions, liter an hour, how many hours the engine ran. I mean, the data just goes on and on and on and on. But I just want to show people that, you know, we are the only ones having this sophisticated data like this. I mean, to me, it's so important because I can go back a year from now, 2 years from now, and go, oh, look, you know, this system ran for a solid year, you know, and this was the amps that we drew. You know, if I hover over it like this, it'll tell you, you know, there's the amps for system 1, system 2, engine was on, total fuel consumption, fuel average an hour. I mean, there's so much data here that is so useful. And again, it's worth millions of dollars, you know, for other companies to have this kind of data. Anyways, just showing you that, you know, we monitor gensets and several other, but I just thought I'd do this video. Thanks.